Value chain of fashion supply chain management. The fashion supply chain creates value at each stage. Cotton farmers or synthetic fiber producers add value by transforming raw materials into usable forms. Spinners, weavers, and dyers add value by converting raw materials into yarn, fabric, and colored textiles. Garment factories add value by cutting, sewing, and assembling fabric into finished garments. Logistics companies and retailers add value by transporting and selling garments to consumers. This is how a garment which is getting into your wardrobe gets a price tag to it. Of course, it includes the profit margin of retailer as well. If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.